The Tevlaphee steering wheel lock seatbelt lock universal is an effective anti-theft device designed to enhance the security of your vehicle. With its unique features, it helps keep your vehicle safe from potential theft. The steering wheel lock makes it difficult for thieves to turn the steering wheel and prevents them from using the seatbelt, acting as a strong deterrent. Constructed with high-strength braided steel wire, this lock offers durability and can withstand high tensile and shear forces. The PVC coating on the exterior protects your steering wheel from wear and tear and prevents rusting. It is designed for universal use in most vehicles, ensuring compatibility and providing peace of mind to vehicle owners. Installing and removing the lock is quick and easy, allowing you to secure your steering wheel and seatbelt within seconds. Each device comes with 3 keys for convenience and practicality. Overall, the Tevlaphee steering wheel lock seatbelt lock universal is a reliable and user-friendly solution to protect your vehicle from theft. The Tevlaphee steering wheel lock offers convenience to use and a humanized design. With its self-locking feature, it can be easily handled, installed, and removed with one pull. It allows simple locking and unlocking in seconds using keys. The lock can be installed at the back of the steering wheel, avoiding contact with the airbag. To enhance usability, the lock has a stretch function that eliminates the need for the key during use. Additionally, it comes with a blue magic Velcro for secure storage. The lock provides excellent protection for you and your vehicle, including a cap to prevent accidental glass damage and a metal safety escape tool for emergencies. It is constructed using high-quality round steel and premium aluminum alloy, making it highly resistant to prying, sawing, hammering, and freon attacks. The lock utilizes a precise double-spring crescent lock subtyping coating key, designed to prevent professional thieves and unauthorized access. Tevlaphee's steering wheel lock outperforms competitors by including 4 protective pads to prevent damage or pressure to the steering wheel, 2 hammer caps for emergency window braking, and blue magic Velcro for secure storage. Protect your vehicle with this reliable and visually deterrent lock, recommended by policemen and car experts. Dodomes steering wheel lock is an adaptable and impenetrable anti-theft device designed to secure your vehicle's steering wheel. It offers a universal fit for cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs with an inner diameter of 6.6 to 12.4 inches. The lock is made of high-quality steel that is resistant to rust, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its unique design includes a bright yellow resin surface, which serves as a visible warning and prevents damage to the steering wheel. Each lock comes with 2 individual keys, providing enhanced security as others who bought the same product cannot access your car. With a quick lock-unlock mechanism, you can save valuable time by securing or releasing the lock within 5 seconds. The Tevlaphee steering wheel lock with alarm is an upgraded and highly deterrent anti-theft device designed to protect your car. It features a micro-motion induction design that triggers a 120 decibel alarm when even a slight vibration is detected, startling thieves and preventing them from stealing your car. The lock is constructed using heat-treated steel bars, ensuring strong resistance against sawing and shearing attempts. Its all-copper 3-slot keyblade lock cylinder has a hollow design, making it nearly impossible to unlock even if drilled through. The unique multi-segment design allows for flexible application to different steering wheel thicknesses, making it suitable for 99% of steering wheels. Installation is quick and easy, requiring the steering wheel to be turned 180 degrees, snapping the lock head onto the steering wheel's prongs, and positioning the lock head correctly. With this lock, you can keep thieves away from your car in just a few seconds. The Club 3000 Twin Hooks steering wheel lock, manufactured by Winner International, is a high-quality vehicle security product designed to prevent professional thieves and joyriders from stealing your vehicle. With its unique twin hook design, this steering wheel lock offers enhanced durability and increased resistance against theft attempts. The Club twin hooks securely lock onto the steering wheel, rendering the vehicle impossible to steer. Its keyless locking mechanism ensures ease of use, and the universal fit makes it compatible with cars, vans, and SUVs. The lock's high visibility and patented self-locking feature serve as effective deterrents against theft. The Club 3000 Twin Hooks steering wheel lock provides an added layer of protection and peace of mind for vehicle owners.